Hello everyone, welcome back to SlideUpLift. Ever tried turning a stubborn PDF into an editable PowerPoint? It's a formatting nightmare, lost styles, mangled images, endless copy-paste. Let's talk about the top 5 free tools you can start using right away to convert your PDFs into clean, editable presentations. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end to get the best results from your conversions. Tool 1. iLovePDF. Go to the site and select PDF to PowerPoint. Upload your PDF. Wait for it to convert. Download your PowerPoint file. Quick, clean, and ideal for basic formatting needs. Tool 2. SmallPdf. Upload your scanned PDF. Let the tool process and extract the text. Download the editable PowerPoint. Perfect for image-heavy PDFs. Tool 3. Online to PDF. Upload the PDF. Select PowerPoint PTX as output. Convert and download. Check the editable tables in the PPT. Great for reports and data-heavy documents. Tool 4. Zamzar. Upload your PDF from your computer or cloud drive. Choose PowerPoint as the output. Convert and download the PPT. Perfect for those who work with files on Dropbox, Google Drive, etc. Bonus tip: optimize your PDF before converting. No matter the tool, the quality of your original PDF plays a major role in the final output. For best results, use clean, well-structured PDFs with clear headings and sections. Avoid low-res scans or images with unclear text. Stick to digital PDFs instead of flattened or poorly formatted ones. A quick note on security when uploading confidential files. Avoid uploading confidential or private documents unless the tool clearly states data privacy practices or encryption protocols. Use tools with SLL encryption, HTTPS// and check if files are deleted from Consider offline conversion software if your document contains sensitive corporate or personal data. If you're here, it means we share the same passion for stunning, professional, and effective presentations. Join our channel and get exclusive membership perks, including huge discounts on our premium template library and membership plans, plus a free presentation template every month. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more such content and see you in the next video.